You've set the intention, you want to get in shape. All you need now is the correct information. You see, so when it comes to getting in shape, a lot of people think it's purely about just pure weight loss, and that's part of it, but it's not the whole picture. The more important thing, the most important thing, is actually your body composition. So what does that mean? That's a ratio between how much muscle mass you have, how much fat you have. It's a much better measure of whether or not you're in shape. So what you guys are looking for is, you want an athletic build, you want to look like an athlete, you want to look strong, you want to look healthy. In order for that to happen, you need to be consuming the right foods. When it comes to body composition, yeah, exercise plays a role in it, but the most important thing is going to be your diet. So what has worked for me is following an animal-based diet. So that's mostly protein, that's focusing on protein. So that's your beef, which is my favorite, my staple, but also as well, you know, that's chicken, that's eggs, that's fish, there's turkey, there's pork. There's lots of different options for getting your protein, but I definitely recommend you eating meat to get your protein. The other thing that's worked quite well for me is limiting my grain consumption. So that's pasta, rice, you know, breads, cereals, that type of stuff. Yeah, oatmeal as well. Yeah, so those are grains, those are carbohydrates. So what I've done personally to build my physique, what's worked for me best over the years, is cutting back on grains and eating more protein. So that's more meat, so that's more beef. Eat more beef. And then fats is also very important. So anytime you drop your carbohydrates, you're going to need more fats. So having the fattier cuts and adding in obviously stuff like eggs, you know, chicken fat, you know, turkey fat, you know, anything, any meat source with that's high in fats is going to help you out a lot. And then the other topic obviously comes to dairy. So I have a lot of dairy in my diet, but I avoid processed dairy. So, you know, that's the ultra pasteurized stuff that you see in stores. All of my dairy comes fresh from the farm. But again, dairy is personal choice. The main thing that I stress is just eating more protein. So if you're eating more beef, you know, more steaks, whether that's a chicken steak, turkey steak, whatever type of steak it is, it really gives your body the amino acids you need to build muscle and improve your body composition. So the most important thing honestly is just adding more meat into your diet. So that's beef, chicken, steak, eggs, fish, pork, whatever your favorite source of protein is, just eat more of that. And what you'll find is when you end up eating more of that protein source, you're naturally gonna stop eating as much junk food. So that's the main thing, is just staying away from junk food and eating more protein. You do those two things, and obviously your body composition is going to improve. If you just add something in, you naturally run out of room for the bad stuff. So just focus on adding in more protein, and that will make a major difference to your body composition. Okay, then the other half is obviously exercise. So exercise is about 20%. So it's 80% diet and 20% exercise. You know, exercise makes a small difference to your body composition. So what exercise can do is it can stimulate muscle growth. So when you're working out, you're breaking down your muscles, it's going to signal to your body to build up more muscles. So then boom, you eat your protein, you know, you eat more beef, then your body starts building itself up. So that's the idea, is focus on the diet, do some exercise as well, and that in turn will help you build more muscle, improve your body composition, and look like an athlete. So that's the basis of what we do here. We eat beef and we do burpees. So we're flooding the body with amino acids, so you have the building blocks that you need to grow. And also as well, we're stimulating growth with exercise. So we're doing burpees. So that's what we do. We eat beef, we do burpees, and that's how you can get in shape. Make sense? Cool.